Let's take a look at how your app performs using Firefox DevTools. By the end of this video, you'll be able to record your app's performance in Firefox. Welcome to Measuring Performance in Firefox, a calm, clear coding tutorial. No rushing, no jargon. We'll break this into 3 parts. Here I'm opening Firefox DevTools. You can do this by right-clicking and clicking Inspect or using a keyboard shortcut. Once DevTools opens, click on the Performance tab. Pause here if you need a moment to find it. Now I click Record, and then I interact with the app. Firefox is capturing everything that happens while I'm using the app. Once I'm done, I stop the recording. And just like that, you've measured your app's performance. This is Firefox's profiler. At the top you have the timeline, and below that you have more detailed information about what happened. Now you know how to measure performance using Firefox DevTools. For those who prefer to use Google Chrome, I have a separate version of this tutorial on my channel. If this kind of direct, autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together. If you'd like to support what I'm building, you can visit my Patreon. Your support helps me keep making these tutorials and spend the time to do them well.